For this, you are gonna need cute cotton fabric, some lining, elastic, and a thin wire. Fold about 2 centimeters on the lining and iron it. Then sew it with a straight stitch. It will look like this. Then place the lining on top of the cute fabric like this, and make sure the right side of the cute fabric is facing up. Sew it with a straight stitch, leaving about ½ centimeter from the extremity. Turn the lining to the other side and iron it. I'm gonna show you how I made it. Just fold and iron it. Now grab the wire and place it inside of one of the folds. This will be for your nose. Try to sew along with a straight stitch really close to the wire. After that, it's time to make the pleats. Fold the fabric and iron it. This doesn't have a particular technique, just do it the best as you can. We're gonna need at least 2 pleats. I'm gonna make 3 on this mask. Now straight stitch along the side to hold the pleats on both sides. After that, just double fold the sides, leaving enough space past the elastic. I would say something like ½ centimeter. Now using a pin, pass the elastic through the sides. I didn't leave much space for the elastic. Now just tie a knot in the elastic. Don't make it too tight. First, try the mask and see if you need to adjust the side of the elastic. Then just cut the excess part of the elastic and hide the knot inside the fabric. Like I said, it was a bit of a struggle for me because I didn't leave much space to pass the elastic in the sides. But it's done. Now, I just wanted to say that these are not medically certified masks. They're a simply homemade solution to provide some help in this global situation. If you can, please stay safe at home. And don't forget, we're all together on this.